It's Martha and Sean. We are here, Cotton Cuts, and we're on day 11. All right.
Tomorrow will be
Today?
halfway.
Today's Sunday. Yeah. And what'd you just say?
Tomorrow will be halfway through.
That doesn't even seem possible. Where's the time going? It's flying by. Speaking of flying by, let's see what's in day in day 11. Oh, find joy in the journey.
Oh, we're definitely doing that.
Yeah, I'm trying not to laugh as much. Yeah, it's not working. I'm having too much fun.
Yep.
Oh, this one actually has a orange color. I don't have any fabric like this. And it says Workshops by Libs Elliott. I actually have selvage on this one.
Oh,
I've never heard of that one.
It looks similar to my day 9, you know,
yeah.
just a different color.
Agreed.
But it's close.
Don't know if that's Hawaiian theme though.
Well, that could be the floor of my hut. And this can be like the
top. Very good. Yes. I love it.
All right, so let's see what so if you missed day 9, you don't have to come back for that now, apparently, at least for me. But day 11, let's see what we have here for you. Oh, here we go. We've got more Hawaiian themed stuff.
Ooh.
Yeah, there you go.
Ah.
Oh. Yeah, I like this one a lot.
I do too. That one's really pretty.
So for 11 days, I've been happy with just about every one of these. I think they've done a great job curating my little Hawaiian getaway.
Yeah, you're going to Hawaii. You didn't even know it.
Hey, and I like the fact that I don't have to sit on an aircraft for 12 hours. I'm not going to have jet lag, and it's not going to cost me $1,000 and some dollars to get there and back. So
win-win, right? Well, not for them, but for you, yes.
Yeah, because really, if I'm going to go to Hawaii, I might as well sit on the plane for another 7 hours and go home.
There you go. Well, you can do both. All right. Day number 11 was wonderful.
Yes.
Just like they all are.
Yeah. So we'll head back and we'll do this all again tomorrow, Monday the 12th.
Yes, we will.
We'll see how we're doing at the halfway mark.
That sounds great. I hope you all are enjoying the journey with us. We appreciate you being here.
Not at us.
Huh?
So laughing with us and not at us.
Yes, there is a difference between them. All right. Until next time, y'all take care.
Good night.
Bye-bye.